Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable LDAC codec on your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. You have to start by open Realme application. Now choose your device. Now it's connecting. Then scroll down a little bit and right here we have a high definition sound, so just click on it. On. And sometimes headphones have trouble with it, so it's just disconnecting. Yeah, and we did it. To disable LDAC, you should click again. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!